Hello Vivekians, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home. This is Pooja Lamba. Welcome you in session 5 maths class where I will explain you exercise 3.4. Okay students, so today we will discuss exercise 3.4 and I will explain few questions of exercise 3.4. The first I am going to explain the question number 3. The weight of 35 bags of the rice is 1758.75 kg. What is the weight of each bag? अब इस क्वेश्चन में आपको सबसे पहले क्या समझना है कि when they asked about the weight of the each bag, it means if we have to calculate the cost of या the weight of each bag, each मतलब one bag की अगर हमें वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो we will divide. ठीक है, तो we will use division. तो in this question weight of the 35 bags are given, that is 1758.75 kg, and we have to calculate the weight of the one bag means we will use division operation. तो हमने यहाँ division करनी है. अब आपको as I told you earlier कि when a dividend in divisor, when the dividend is in decimal form, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप इसका क्या करें, डेसिमल इग्नोर कर दें. कर दिया इग्नोर, हमारे पास नंबर क्या बना 175875 डिवाइडेड बाय 35. अब आप इसके सिंपल डिवीजन कर दीजिए. जैसे हम सिंपल डिवीजन करते हैं, सिंपल डिवीजन करके वी गेट द क्वोशिएंट 5025. नाउ इन द डिविडेंड आफ्टर द decimal is at the number of two places. ठीक है, तो the dividend is at the two places, so we will put the decimal from the right side. ठीक है, from the right side we will skip the 2 digits and we will mark the decimal. So the answer will be the weight of the each bag is the 50.25 kg. I hope this question is clear to you. Now question number 4. The product of two decimal is 3.875. If one of the decimal is 0.25, find the other. In this question, product is given. One decimal number is given. We have to find the other decimal. If I will say that the product of the two number is 6, one number is 2, find the other number. तो आप क्या करेंगे, 6 divided by 2, the other number will be 3. The same as here in this question, the product of the two decimal is the 3.875. One decimal number is a 0.25. We have to find the other decimal. In this question, the dividend and divisor both are in the decimal form. So first of all, आपने क्या करना है कि you will check that divisor. In the divisor, the decimal is at the two places. So we will shift the decimal in the dividend after the 2 digit. ठीक है, 2 digit आपने क्या कर देना है, shift करना है. और किस साइड आपने shift करना है, राइट साइड पे. ठीक है, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट साइड पे आपका मूव होगा डेसिमल. तो देखिए आपका डेसिमल यहाँ पे है 3 के बाद. ठीक है, तो क्योंकि डिवाइजर में हमारे पास डेसिमल एज एट द 2 प्लेसेस, सो वी विल शिफ्ट द डेसिमल इन द डिविडेंड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट 2 places. So the number will be 387.5 divided by 25. So when we will divide it, we will get the answer is the 15.5. So other decimal number is the 15.5. I hope this question is clear to you. Now we will proceed the next question. That is 1 kg of sugar cost is this. What will be the cost of the 8.75 kg of sugar? It is a very simple question, but what is the difference between the question number 3 and the question number 5? In the question number 5, we have to give the given value is that 35 bags of the rice, and we have to find the weight of the each bag. And as I told you earlier that when we have to find the cost of each bag, so we will use the division operation. But whenever the 1 kg cost is given and we have to find the more quantity, so we will use the multiplication operation. Clear? So in this question, the 1 kg sugar cost is 42.60 and we have to find the cost of 8.75. देखो 1 की दी है, मोर की आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है. अगर मोर की कैलकुलेट करनी है तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई क्वेश्चन में करना है, और अगर मोर की दी है और 1 की फाइंड करनी हो तो हम करते हैं क्वेश्चन में डिवीजन. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाई. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज यू सी in this question both the numbers, ठीक है, multiplier and the multiplicand and the multiplier both are in the form of a decimal. So first of all I ignored the decimal, ठीक है, मैंने decimal ignore कर दिया, हाँ सिंपल इसकी multiplication की, the multiplication करके as I get the product is this. क्लियर. नाउ द डेसिमल की पोजीशन देखिए क्या होगी. आफ्टर द डेसिमल 2 प्लेसेस इन द मल्टीप्लिकेंड एंड आफ्टर द डेसिमल 2 डिजिट्स इन द मल्टीप्लायर. तो 2 + 2 4. सो वी विल मार्क द डेसिमल फ्रॉम राइट we will skip the 4 digits. देखिए we will skip the 4 digits and then we will mark the decimal. So the number will be 372.75 because after the decimal if the zeros are given, so we will not count these 0. So answer will be 372.75. I hope these questions are clear to you, and next question I will explain in my next part. Okay.